In some really exciting news coming in, recently Priyanka Chopra Jonas has shared that she has signed a deal with a leading streaming platform to create content in diverse languages and tell stories of people from all across the globe. अब ये खबर PC ने अपने social media account से share की है and this is great news because it's going to put India and PC on the global entertainment map. Here's the story. Priyanka Chopra Jonas, who is currently in LA with her husband Nick, has made an announcement that would make every Indian proud. The actor-producer revealed on a social media post that she had signed a multi-million-dollar deal with one of the leading OTT platforms that will hopefully take more Indian content onto the global stage. Speaking about her brand new venture, Priyanka ने अपने पोस्ट में कहा, As both an actor and producer, I have always dreamt of an open canvas of creative talent coming together from all over the world to create great content irrespective of language and geography. प्रियंका जो इंडिया में ऑलरेडी एक बहुत बड़ी स्टार है, has also made her mark internationally. First as a music artist and then as an actor with TV show Quantico and then Hollywood films as well. लेकिन एक सक्सेसफुल एक्टर होने के साथ-साथ वो आज एक प्रोड्यूसर भी हैं. Speaking about her role as a content creator, PC said, As a storyteller, my quest is to constantly push myself to explore new ideas and not only entertain, but most importantly, open minds and perspectives. Looking back on my 20-year career, nearly 60 films later, I hope I'm on my way to achieving that. Since this is a global deal, Priyanka can make content in Hindi, English and any other language she wants. In addition to choosing to tell stories in different languages, Priyanka is also excited about telling stories with a female perspective. Priyanka shared in her statement, My quest really is to be able to tell female stories, work with creators from around the world and create a cross-pollination of storytelling. So I can do Hindi language, I can do English language, I can do whatever language I want. Speaking about this amazing new collaboration, which will help to put Indian content and an Indian perspective on the global map, OTT platform के एक senior official ने कहा, Priyanka and I have bonded over a shared passion for diverse global storytelling. She's a powerhouse producer and we are thrilled to collaborate with her for years to come. Priyanka, whose last Indian project was The Sky is Pink, already इस OTT platform के साथ दो projects पर काम कर रही हैं. One is a reality dance show, Sangeet, which is inspired by the lavish Indian Sangeet Priyanka and Nick's wedding had. The other project is Citadel, where PC will be seen opposite Richard Madden, who has acted in acclaimed shows like Game of Thrones and Bodyguard. More power to you, Priyanka. You have definitely made all of India very proud.